Don't let your symptoms steal your life. You can escape them, just like me. It's more than just a couple images. It's everything. Life restored. There's so much of life waiting just for you. The word cure implies there will be a pill someday that will solve everything. Well, I don't like to sound melodramatic, but if there ever will be, this is it. This is better than a drug. It doesn't just stop the symptoms. It brings everything back. Just like you, I wanted it all gone too. Everything restored right now. But I learned patience. It will for you. One day soon. But who knows when? The schedule isn't on our time.